Hi everyone, my name is Amina. I'm a life coach and I came across this book and I found very interesting topics inside. So I wanted to discuss them, give you my perspective, and feel free to give yours in the comment section. I'm not here to say that what I'm saying is 100% truth. I'm just sharing what I believe, so what I think. So today's subject is money is not evil. Many people consider money to be bad, to be evil, to be dark, to be the source of many problems, while other people, they like money. They're very happy with having a lot of money. And I'm sure, most people will be happy to have a lot of money in their bank account. Why? Because money is freedom. When you have money, you are able to do, I would say, depending on how much you have, but whatever you want. For example, if you want to travel to see your family abroad, you can travel. If you have enough money to retire, even if you're 40, you're good. And I don't see anything wrong with that. And when I'm saying you retire at 40, I'm not encouraging that, of course, because, I believe we should work for as long as we are capable, as and working is not like, oh, you have to do hard work, uh, labor work. I'm not talking about that, but just staying active. Whether you work for you help a charity, you help people here, and it's just staying active rather than staying home doing nothing. But let's leave that on the side. Yes, as long as you have enough in your bank account, you can retire whenever you want. You can you can enjoy, the money you have by traveling, having experiences. You can bless other people with the money you have. All that brings joy to you. But if you consider that money is evil, you'll never have peace with that. And some people, they love money, they consider they fine with money, but subconsciously they don't even know that they consider money to be bad. And in this case, they have self-sabotaging patterns appearing. So every time they are able to reach a certain net worth, something happens, and then they just spend everything, and then they end up with nothing, just because something in them tells them, oh, if you become rich, it's a problem. And so they sabotage all their progress, and then they go back to zero. And because they are at zero, it's too, it's too, it brings too much anxiety. So at some point they work their way up, and then when they reach the same level they were before, they go back down. So the self-sabotage is real. And so that's why we all need to identify our bad belief regarding money. For me, I consider that money is freedom. I consider that when you have enough money, you can buy back your time, and so you can enjoy life more, spending time with the people you love. You can bless other people. It brings a lot of things. When you have enough money, you can buy the things that can help you to work on your dream career. For example, if you are a producer, you can buy the material that can help you, for example, with your studio or recording studio, things like that, instruments. So let's identify our limiting beliefs when it comes to money. I know religion plays a big role in that. I'm not going to talk about the details here and there because I don't know enough. I don't want to tell lies here, but I know it is a big part of that. You have some you have some people telling you, oh, I read here that blah blah blah, and then for that reason money is bad. Yes, money is bad in the wrong hands. I believe money magnifies your personality. So if you are a good person and you have money and you want to bless the world, the world will be blessed. And if you are a bad person and you have money, you're gonna create chaos and hurt other people. So it all depends on your personality. Don't be the excessive love of money will create some problem. Yes, for sure. So, and the contentment side. So yeah, all this is really important. Let's identify our limiting beliefs when it comes to money, and let's focus on the good things that money can bring to us, because it's important and we can bless the world thanks to that.